Hi friend, today let's take a look at how a bubble gun works. By watching this video, you'll understand some really interesting science behind this simple toy. So, let's get started. The bubble gun you see here is designed in the shape of a dolphin. The eye stickers on this one have come off, so first let's restore its eyes and give this dolphin its original look. After making both eyes, the dolphin-designed bubble gun looks much better. Now let's open all the screws and take a look inside. As you can see, there is actually a very simple mechanism inside this bubble gun. This model is powered by a small 3-volt DC motor and 2 AA batteries, which provide about 3 volts in total. When the batteries are connected through the switch, the motor spins at high speed. The motor drives a small fan, also called an impeller or blower fan, inside the gun. At the front, there's a bubble-making wheel, also known as a bubble wheel or ring wheel. This wheel has many small circular openings or bubble rings. When these rings pass through the bubble solution, a thin film of liquid forms across each ring. At the same time, the high-speed airflow from the fan passes through these liquid films and pushes them outward, creating bubbles. Now, instead of using the original 2 AA batteries, I'm going to connect a 3.7-volt rechargeable battery and demonstrate how it works practically. One important thing to remember is that not all bubble guns are designed exactly the same way. The internal mechanism and arrangement of the parts can vary from model to model, but the basic working principle is generally the same. Now watch closely. When I press the switch, the DC motor starts spinning at high speed, and the small fan attached to the motor shaft also starts rotating. Basically, this fan works like a small blower, or a high-speed air fan. It produces a strong flow of air toward the front of the bubble wheel. At the same time, the bubble wheel picks up the bubble solution. As the wheel rotates, the solution forms thin liquid films across the small rings. When the fast-moving air passes through these films, the films expand and separate from the rings, producing bubbles that are blown forward. Now I've put everything back together and prepared the bubble gun. Let's test it and see if it actually works. First, I'm taking some bubble-making solution. Now I'm dipping the bubble-making part, the bubble wheel, into the solution. And as soon as I turn on the switch, bubbles start coming out. Wow, that's amazing. So I hope today's video gave you a clear idea of how a bubble gun works and what's happening inside this simple little toy. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with others, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and best wishes.